社群平台人并册已经满20周年啊！即马毋那甲朋友之间咧分享生活大小事，对买卖物件、品牌活动的行销，甚至找头路，互无共年龄、无共需求的人拢会当来使用，发展出新的所谓商业经营模式。
叫凯瑟维克将手机镜头对准家己农场的羊仔，吸引高水的目标。这几只羊仔是31岁由凯瑟维克管理的加州圣塔克鲁兹高区农场的吉祥物。因为相片遐显伫卖场业真受欢迎，也因为并且由凯瑟维克的农场除了串联本地社会小农，也对海外农牧市场扩展服务。
And so I did like with the groups, I was able to find more local connections, but also just like resources from around the world on things I'm interested in. So like I get to talk to market gardeners in Switzerland, right, that I wouldn't otherwise be able to connect to because we're all part of this group.
真侪创业人利用并且开发扩展，带动销售量。这创意的建模卖场也是21岁泰国大学生拉米旺发挥设计卡数的所在，以设计小弟造型建模，透过卖场也将吸引率转化做商品销售量。
I knew that there were a group of people which is like keyboard enthusiasts who really into keyboard. And I start by design my first keycap and like post in the group to see how people think about it. And like people seems to like it.
18岁汉莫甲真侪少年人共款，利用 IG 甲 Snapchat 甲朋友联络，伊讲并且亲像老大人有丰富人脉，因透过共同朋友的功能，找到兼职、带囡仔的工作机会。
Every new generation has a new platform that they use, and Facebook is well versed with the older generation.
面册已经20年，开创的社群文化彻底改变真侪沟通甲互动方式，也创造新的商业经营模式。公司新闻张淑芬报道。